Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how you can blur images or parts of images and photos using Canva really quickly. So let's get started. Now in the first step, upload the image or photo you would like to blur by clicking upload here to the left, and by clicking on upload file here. You can locate your file on your computer, or alternatively guys, just to speed this up a bit, let me use a photo taken from the Canva library. So let me scroll down here on the left sidebar to the photo section and select this photo here for demonstration purposes. Let me adjust its size and position. And what you want to do after that, guys, is left click on your image, and after that head over to edit here at the top. So click on it. What you want to do after that is scroll down a bit till you get to the effect section. You can click on see all here, but usually the blur effect or filter should be here on page 1, so you can access it by clicking on it. Click on add blur here to the left, and here to the right on your image or photo, simply mark the area you would like to blur out, like like drawing on an image, just like that. You can also adjust the brush size here to the left, or the intensity to intensify the blur effect, just like that. And there you go. As you can see, that part of the image has been blurred. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.